Hello, hello. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Let me. Mm? Mm. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Friday ASMR and coding. Today, let's complete our microservice, and this will last for 1 hour, and I will combine a little bit with celery. That's hope that it works. I will use the easiest or should say simplest method, which is celery plus radish. Yeah, and it's a lot of work, so let's get to it. And it's a lot of things I'm not so sure. Sure. Source. Oh no, sorry, not TD. Okay, I think I need to pip install, so I will just go to celery, redis, python, install pip. Let's see if we can. Oh, there's already celery. I think it's like this. Yeah, so I'm just taking care of the installation first, and let's make sure do we need to redis? Nope. Okay, we don't need to care about redis, I think. All right. Boom, ba-dun. Wait. Taking care of installation. If I have redis server start, then it should be like this. Nope, wait. It's called redis. Right? Wait. I have my. Hello! Oops. I think it's called redis server or something. Huh. Aborting? Because I haven't do anything. But at least I know there's redis here. And then, so if I try celery, yes, there's celery. That's pretty cool. And we have to do a little bit of here and there, changing everything. So let's go. We have a lot of things need to be done. And from here, how are you? I think it's like this, and then import passlib. At least that's what I know. Equal to. I think I need to check like passlib lib file. Sorry if I sometimes be a little bit slow in responding. So the most important thing is I need to add the paths to this init in case that when I later call app, and then celery will not be able to recognize it. So I think I need something like celery app the pie or something like that, because I thought about this. This will take a long time to do, and if I just wait there, and then it's a bit of wasting the time, and then the app would probably be too slow. Great to know that you are fine. It's Friday, tomorrow is weekend. Weekend, love, weekend. So, yeah. What did I want to do? Oh, yeah, okay. So, celery. Oh, why is it from? From celery, import celery. I think that's at least what I know. But today it's kind of weird. It doesn't recognize my Python file. So yeah, what I want to say is I thought about this. It will take sometimes it will take a long time to do if your file is too huge. And then your whole channel is just waiting there. It's kind of not the best idea to do. So I was thinking like trying out using celery to do something to, like, for example, I submit the task, and then it will just run, and when it's done it will report to my backend, my main backend, and then the backend will update the database. And at least that's what I have in mind, and so that's what I am trying right now. So in the app, actually I need to move my main file there. At least that's how I think. Okay. And I guess this would be like from celery import something. Sorry, the lunch was too good. Yeah, so from celery. So today it's quite a lot of things to do. So if I am responding to your message slow, please bear with me. So I guess I will just try out everything that I can do to whisper, right? I think so. These are the files that we need, and then we have to kind of copy from here. Oh, not this one, not this. Okay. I don't know why it doesn't really recognize the. Maybe I should delete it and then I restart adding. Great. Let's just firstly copy my. Didn't I have the. Here. Nice. But it's not async now. It has to change if I want to. I somehow need a celery app thingies here, there. So first of all, let's finish this one. I need a config. Let's give it celery config. bit of checking. Oh yeah, I just thought about this. I want to correct myself that I last time said CEST is Central Europe Standard Time. So it's not standard, it's summertime, which I forget that in Germany there's still no. There's still what's that called? Daylight saving or something. And I need a backend. Yeah. So can I? Okay. Let's just copy what I found. Yeah. So sometimes good to learn something that's new. Salary. Okay. And then we need a salary. Salary, I think it's called celery app or something if you want to. Worker. I need to copy config from object, and then this one. It's basically at this. That's how I know, right? And so now I have salary app. I can task. This is a task. So I need whisper now. Whisper model. Oh yeah, I also check out online that this is not Whisper AI, which I was so stupid to think it is. This is a package from OpenAI. It's called Whisper, and this at least I check it's free. So it's kind of like an open source. Hello. On Twitch, there's someone say best viewers on blah. I don't think that's a real person there. Okay, verbose or something like this. I don't think I need HTTP actually. I can just can I say raise E? That's not a very good thing, isn't it? But we will see. So first of all, set up the salary, and then we need a main to do something. So here, I want to change. It's called transcribe. I need something different. Workers or salary app. Okay. Right. I guess that's it. Hello from Twitch. Hi to Twitch. Nice to see you. How are you today? So I need this file, and I transcribe get text. I think that's all. How am I able to forget about this? Main. Oh, that's 2 equal salary app. Yeah. So if I don't know if it's possible, but if I do this, anything? No. 6379. Yeah, localhost. Maybe I haven't finished something or. Ui. Yeah, my streaming timetable is every Wednesday and Friday, but next week I am going on a trip, which that I'm super excited, but it involves some flying. So next week Friday I probably won't be able to do any kind of streaming. However, I will try if I manage to make what's that called? Instagram? Yeah. Work. If I can, then maybe I will have a small live stream on Instagram to show you my trip. If people are interested where I'm going. Okay. I think I'm not wrong, but probably I am. Or it's in an app, right? Oh, let's not worry about this one for now. Yes. Also, one trip tip to give people. I wanna just copy and paste so you know. If you are doing backend endpoint, it's a very good thing to limit your incoming requests, like where does it come from? And this is that how you can so allow origin. If you put stars here, then it's totally open. But if you say I allow people on this or from this part, and then this basically is you only get requests from here. Yeah. So allow credential. I don't know if I need to, but I need to change this part. I wanna use Shatil today. Shatil and can I format the document with not installed? Okay. Yeah, this is the format libraries I really like to use. Oh. Running. Okay, well, it's running. Very nice, very nice. But I think here I need to do something different. Let's use this one. I don't know if this will really work because the Redis seems not very happy right now. Set on a low value warning could not create address. Because there's probably another. Yeah, because I did a lot of testing these few days. Then can we change? Then I need to change the port, right? Because the port, I'm not using the standard one. So I need to check. Oh, maybe I can just have help. Huh. Ah, that's easy. That's what I thought. Ha! I am so happy. Task. Okay, I think that's okay. Right. I wanna import secret. Can I use secrets? I think I can. URL save. I think that's what I wanna do. Generate a random URL token URL save. That's what I wanna do. Save file to local. I think I already did that, right? Oh no, I use it. I use it. That's great. So I don't need this. Ref data. This is not a very good. I need this. At least that's not what I want to do. Can we just set up another utils? I can, yes. I mean, I can just copy and yeah, Shatil and then secrets, and then I probably don't need temp file. I mean, in the future maybe I need it, but not right now. If I may change, save. I like to put it in this direction, in this. Okay, temp. Right. Can I have clean temp file? Once you're done, you don't need the file anymore. And I think I can do this. File path unlink. I think that's what I don't think you will return anything. So something like this. And I need the is it called background task? I think. Oh no! I'm giving it wrong. Bleh. Sorry. Background task. Just thinking like usually how I do things. after I do a lot of experiments. Okay. Full voice. Save file to local. Yes. And now I don't need this. How do I do this? I need this. Transcribe. Delay. Ref file pass. That's does he really tell me the file pass? And in a way, yeah, it does. Okay, task. I don't need this, but this is good to use. Transcription. Oh, transcription. Can I do this? Yes. Import already. Yeah. Right. So it looks much better to do. Right, then I need to refine. Return. Yay. I guess that's pretty much good with this task. I don't need this. Okay. I need a background task, I guess. How do I do this? Nah. Background. Actually, one thing I need to do is the UTs. Here. I need to pass loop. Do I have pass loop? Yes, I have pass loop. Parent exists. Exists. Okay. Need to check. Or pass loop do. Pass loop exists. Okay. If not, so if it's not true, then we create. I think there's a better way to do this. MKD. I think there's a better way to do this, but right now this is something I can think about. Yeah. If not true, can we just do a little Python test? Right. Wait, am I inside the? Yeah. Okay. Python 3. Let's just do a test. Okay. So in this outside output or upload. It shouldn't have. Okay. Hello. Okay, good. So it would really tell us it's a false, and then that's better. Okay, from local. Okay. Okay. I really do very well, no? So I can do this. Task. I need to check. Background task. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't put the background task here. If I put it into the UT, I think so. Maybe it's better. From FastAPI. Import background task. I can probably even use this one, but that's our horses. Not I do road file. Wait. I'm already here. So well, yeah, you yeah, you spell my name correctly. I'm good. I'm very, very happy that I have a trip coming up. So next Friday we probably don't have what's that called? A live stream? Clean temp file. Oh, I need to do this oh no, so I don't need this one anymore. I don't need this. And if I can, I will put I will probably do a small live stream here and there on Instagram, and just to share my trip if people are interested in where I going. So I'm very, very happy. Actually very excited. Holiday. Okay, so I should get a task actually, and it's a task from I cannot give you the type because I am not so sure the type, so I need the get a result. Okay. Task get. I think that's it. Or I need to check. It's it's a vacation trip, definitely. Okay, I can give you the timeout then. And I'm just. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just realized I put it the wrong thing. And then I get the file pass, and then I get nothing. I don't need to return anything from here. I need here. I was right. Oh, come on. Why am I always... right. Oh, okay. It's a task, and I need to give it a file pass. And the task has an ID. Really? Wait, I need to think. I think so, because Ready will give it ID, right? Yeah, so I think I post the timetable on my Facebook community. It's so Friday I will... Well, it's... Wait, I need to check the date, I think, because calendar. Just let me check. Because Friday, I think it's not the flying day. It's the day that I... Oh, it is a flying day. Okay, it is my flying. I really need to... So, yeah, I'm on a flight. So, I am not able to do any live stream. But when I arrive Taiwan... Oh, sorry. I already said it. I wanted people to guess where I'm going, but okay. But when I arrive, I think on Tuesday on Wednesday I will resume to do a live stream. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for saying wonderful trip. I'm very excited actually. Like, already dreaming about what am I gonna eat there. I think so. I think that Ready will already give me the task. So I guess I don't need to think about giving it a unique ID. I think so. Can I just return like this? I hope. And the others, I think I will slowly change it to the celery. Originally, I was thinking that I don't need to use this because yeah, I was thinking that I don't need to use celery because it's a lot of things that I need to do. For example, now I have to have like this terminal running already, and I need to have this terminal running celery, and then I need a terminal running my FastAPI microservice. That's just a lot of terminal running. So I really didn't want to do this. I wanted to use... I can tell people that my original thoughts about this. My original thoughts was using this background task and using the Python simple queue, something like this. It's very simple, it's just a queue. Something like this. But then I realized one thing. I need to use this one, I probably need to also give it an ID when I submit the task. And then I also cannot really track because I have to write my own logs. It's kind of also a lot of work. So I decided to not use this method and just go on trying celery. And recently I've been trying a lot, like how I can make it run or something. And yeah. So okay, I need to I just have a note that telling me how do I start this app, and if it runs it should be okay. But aha, okay, info, or shouldn't I info? Oh, okay, I think it's like this. Ding. Non-type object has no attribute radius. But it's running though. Side package class prefix string radius. Non-type. This is super new. I never run into this one. Not even during I. Nope. Okay. Yeah. Oh, but at least I know this error. At least I know this one. This is why I was thinking I need this. But somehow I don't remember how I solved the question. Something like this. Pass lib pass, and then this file resolve. And then the app file, app pass or something, and then parent. And then I need the system append. Okay, wow, good. I need to check again. At least something like this. Pass append Python. No, not insert. Okay. Sys pass append app pass. And the app is already have this in it. I think it should be okay in a way. Again, but I think it should work. If I come into okay, let's see. sorry if I said no, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. I think if I go out, okay, then that's a noun type. So that's why I said like it's kind of difficult to do this. Always a lot of work when I wanna make this. Wait, sorry. I need to come here to do test. Does it work? No. No module? Oh. A source TTS EMVB. Yeah, okay. Right. I think it will work. Oh. Of course, of course. I can definitely change that. I go transcribe. Oh, because no, I don't need it. I don't need it now. Okay. Yeah, I really wanted to finish this microservice within this week, but I feel like every time I try to finish something, like really ambitiously going to finish something, something just doesn't work. Fun. If I do this, oh, okay, so I really need to check what is this problem even. Is it because I installed something wrong? Huh? Oh, oh, okay. I was thinking that if I should. Okay, that's good. Good to know. Yeah. And then I should try something like FastAPI. Or transcribe. Whee! And are you working? There's no attribute add. Nice to know that you don't have this attribute. But it's doing something. Like it transcribed. It's not exactly correct, but at least it transcribed something. So at least it works, but then now I need to think about the background task, because if if it doesn't work, then this will always be there. Then with like several requests, and then the whole system is full of a lot of temp files. It's not a very good thing. So how can I do this better? If you don't have an ad, do you have a pen? Can I search? Background task. Oh, it's called Add Task. Good to know. Good to know. Can we try again? Which one is better, Django or FastAPI? It really depends what you want to achieve. I would say, hello. What you want to achieve? If you want to really do something real quick, set up. I would say FastAPI, of course, can handle a lot of work, but it really, as its name given, like code API. So if you just see as a tool to set up API, then I would say FastAPI is pretty good. If you want to build a very complex backend, a lot of different kind of service, and then your backend is super huge, and you need to handle the session, you need to handle a lot of all also something. I think if you know how to program with Django, then I think it's good to use Django. At least that's how I feel. Probably people have different opinions. Some people will say like FastAPI can do a lot of different things. Yeah. But if I must say, like when I checking jobs descriptions within Germany, I think FastAPI often pop up during the like in the description. I just want to like make everything restart again, except for my Redis. Yeah, and there's also one thing I'm still thinking like how should I do it is when I want to deploy it, my app, I mean my microservice, since now it has Redis, it has Celery, I actually thinking like how am I gonna write the Docker code? I speak Docker for sure, but I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know how to write a Docker code at this point. Okay, the same old good file. Good that it's working, but not so good that I don't know this error, and then my temp does not clear. I can show you why I know it's working, because here it has the transcription, because I printed, but yeah, I don't know about that errors. You like Django faster than Django. Hi, good morning. I'm installing Arch Linux in all compact laptop I have. Been few hours now. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't. So last time I installed not Linux, sorry, Ubuntu. Was like what, 1 year ago? No, more than that, 2 year ago. Yeah, it's for my dissertation, and I really need something like a computer to just run the experiments for several hours, and I cannot do many other things. So I just need that, and that was last time. So that was like 2 years ago, maybe even 3. Wow, long time ago. There's also Flask, yeah. Oh, why am I working? Here I am working on a service that can do transcription and also do text to speech. So this is the service that do fancy stuff. And I know this service, every task it's running, it will take a lot of time. So that's why I'm introducing a queuing system to make it run, and then when it's done, it sends the results to a callback or sends the results to update the database. Because I don't want my users to just wait at the front end to just keep waiting for the results. And that's not very good. Oh, Stacy, you know Django. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, I use Flask before when I work on CMS. I really like it. I think it's really good. Um, but I somehow, because of job needed, and then I just didn't really have the chance to work on Flask. My God, I cannot speak. Flask. For I think several months, and then somehow my Flask skill is a little bit rusty. But on the other hand, my FastAPI skill is just skyrocketing. It's really interesting. Um, FastAPI, is it much faster than Django? I am not so sure if it's really like that. I think prototype wise, it's really quick to start a FastAPI. For example, you just app equal to FastAPI, and then you use UV core to run it. And you are done. You set up backend, right? So it's faster in setting up, I would say. At least that's how I feel. And that's why I like to use it for prototyping. It's really quick. Okay, yeah. We need to solve that issue, right? Super type object must be an instance or subtype of type. I'm not so sure what you are talking about. Sorry. I'm I'm I am confused. So I need to check. I'm sure it's because of the way I'm adding to the background task. I'm sure. But I don't know how to solve it. Hmm? 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 People say I should stop and start. Is it though? Oh, not this one. You see, so I think like right now I'm really scared when I need to start writing my Docker script. I think that would be yeah, I will feel very hopeless. Give me some strength, guys. I'm not gonna write a Docker script today, but I don't know. Whenever I'm developing, I'm so happy writing the back end, writing this difficult code, trying out, and then when I think about I need to write a Docker to deploy, I'm like, yeah. Okay. When we get there, we will survive in a different, whatever. We will survive. But it's not really the fix. What should I do? Keep searching. Background task. Or if I should just check a little bit more further about the FastAPI back. Right? Isn't it? It's just add. But I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh, I'm so sorry to be so surprised and not so surprised at the same time. What? I think it is like this, but somehow it doesn't like. Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. It's like this. Very good. Very good. Oh, we solved the issue. I just want to restart everything and then maybe things will work better. Probably. Allow me to manually delete everything. I'm so scared. I'm very scared. Okay, so here has a temp file. And then you have an ID. And then async result object is not callable. It's not callable. What? Am I doing something wrong? Am I async? At least you return something. That's nice. Nice of you. Async results is not callable. What did I do wrong? I don't know. Let me try. Oh yeah, I would like to introduce. No, not introduce. I just share a video to people, and it's wait, it's it's from a channel I recently discovered called The Diary of a CEO. And 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 this one called Former Netflix CEO, Hard Work Does Not Matter. If people go and then search and then watch it, I think you'll be very happy watching this video. I think what he said is very interesting. And after I figure out what is this, I will tell you how I think. But before that, I need to think about like why it doesn't work. Mm. Mm. I think it's because I use async. No, it's not because of I use async. um, I know the reason. I didn't even think about this one. And these two kind of not doing the same thing. Okay, at least now we know how do we solve this issue. Hehe. Right? No? Huh? Why? Why doesn't clean temp file main? Yeah, I think I did. Did I do something wrong here again? Okay, let's try. Let's try. Okay. Alright. About that video, I haven't finished it. I halfway through it and then I already like what I hear. But there is also something inside I am not so sure if I 100% agree with. I think it only say half of the thing. So, oh yay! It worked. It worked. Yeah. So it works like this. You have a background task. When the scene is done, you clean up your temp files so that it will not burden your entire system. So we can try again to just make sure that that was not just like a coincidence. And yeah, so this start, and then my worker also returns the transcription. And oh, I'm sorry, today's 1 hour more. I hope you guys are not like in a hurry. If you are, it's okay to leave. But I just want to show you like how I did it. So I upload a file, right? And then if you can look at this one, like here, it will save the uploaded file into a temp file, and then it will start doing the transcription. And when it's done, the background task will be called to delete the temp file, and then you have it. So what I still need to do for the background task is to somehow send the results to the backend. That's at least how I do it. Okay, one last thing, I want to share my thoughts about this video that I watched halfway through. One thing that it says is you have to. So the host asked this person, the former Netflix CEO, and said like, what is your framework to decide the idea or something? And this CEO say every idea is stupid, and the person just say like, somehow say something like, you shouldn't fall in love with your idea, and because you would start defending everything about this idea. You have to like think about it from a very critic way thinking, like critical thinking, something like that. Maybe people should watch this video, and then my idea is you should kind of find a sweet point to love your idea, but also able to think it from a very critical point of view, to think about your idea. Like, do I 100% love the idea I have, like I'm building? I would say no, but I do love it. I love it to a point that I'm willing to spend 3 months to develop a prototype and to present it to people and gather the feedback. I would say, how's it going? I'm fine, and we finished this microservice part of it. But at least I'm very happy that I integrate this celery and the Redis to this microservice. And so I love it that I want to spend 3 months to work on the prototype, and I will proudly present it to people about my idea. Oh, I cannot say I'm teaching coding. I would say I'm sharing my experience, and also like I will show you how I debug, how I code something and how I debug. And I hope the whole process is kind of soothing. So what I say is, I also not like, I would try to keep myself at a position that I am still able to think my idea from a point that, okay, it has some problems. So at the point that I can open my mind to accept some feedbacks. So I do like this person saying you shouldn't love your idea, like your startup idea. But I say like you should also have a little love about your idea. Yeah. So that's just my way, my thinking. But I think this episode until so far that I'm watching, I do like what I hear. And what coding is, but it's looking complicated. Okay, I can introduce a little bit. So at least I'm sharing what I know, and so hopefully people watching this live stream after I finish the the streaming, when people watch it, people know like what does it do. So let's say this one that I am doing transcribe, which means I have an audio and I want this open source library to transcribe my audio for me. So I set up an endpoint that I can submit my file, and then I save this file to my local directory, and then I have a function to call this library to where is it? Oh no, sorry, not here. I have this function to call to ask this library to transcribe it for me and return the results to me. And then once it's done, I have a background task to clean this temporary file for me. So all these files that I save for processing would not like what I previously did to generate a lot of temporary file, but not just being there, that I cannot delete them at all. Yeah, so that's what I do, and everything is like an endpoint, so you have an interface to upload your file to execute it. And today's topic is I'm using this celery to so implement this one. So why I do it? Because last time during my last stream, I accidentally upload a audio file that takes like 21 minutes to transcribe each sentence. And if this is the endpoint, I'm very worried that my user have to stay in front of the computer and then waiting for like 20-something minutes to wait for a return. And I think that's also not so good because my whole function is just there processing one person's file or something. So what I do is I put this file into a queue. And this queue will just, it's like a line, right? And I will do this one, I process, and then when it's done, I spit it out to you, these results, and then next coming, I start working. So that's why my reason of introducing this whole system, this workflow to me, to this backend or microservice, and the results spit out is not perfect, but at least it's good. Yeah, it also adds the quotation mark for me. Nice. Okay. So I am halfway through my microservice, and the rest is really it's made me realize I'm unemployed and doing nothing. Oh, no problem. Right now, isn't the economics so bad that a lot of people just don't get a job? And also, hey, thank you for following. Yeah, also, I think it's really not like anyone's fault of like incapable or I know some people will like criticize themselves thinking like, oh, I don't have a job and I'm just incapable of doing something. I don't think so. I really don't think so. And also, please don't blame AI for taking our job. I really just think that's very simple. It's the market is just not really good right now. And every 7-8 years we'll have something like this. It is, I know, it's everywhere. It's not just India though. um It's everywhere. The market is really bad right now. Yeah, I know. India is it's a huge market. I totally get it. Um, every 7 or 8 years, we will run into a very bad timing of the markets. Uh, it's it's just it's just the cycle, and we just need to think about how we can survive in this time. I will say survive, but as long as you can survive, I would say survivors is always the best human beings, because we make use the resource we can get to get by. We can survive in the bad timing. We can survive in the good timing. When the time comes, when the time comes, we will thrive. Good time will come. Don't worry about it. Just do our best. As long as we have, I will say this, I do have time that I am so depressed about many, many things. And I will say this to people, that nobody can live a better life than you do. You like ThinkPads, old one? Oh, drop the ASM part from the title. Rest is appealing enough. Coding. Okay, sure, I can do this. Yeah. So I want to say one thing for people, that I don't care if you hear something, but I do really want to say I have that kind of time, really bad, and I really feel nothing is bright. And I said to myself, like, nobody can live a better life, your life better than you do. You are a survivor. Every day you wake up, you are still breathing. That's already a miracle. Okay, bad things will happen, like a comet will come and then just at that time hit the roof, and then you are just right. So yeah, every day we wake up, we are breathing. That's already a miracle. And we just need to go as the flow, and then a good time will come. And you are already amazing. You are living, you are breathing, you are surviving. So really, this is my real voice. I'm not using any voice modifier. So I just want to say, like, everyone watches streaming, or you are not watching, anyone in this world surviving, breathing, you are the best. And I hope this is not too heavy for people who watch this streaming. And I just want everyone have a very good weekend, and have a good day today, good weekend. And I think I already occupy enough of your time, and I hope you enjoyed today's coding session. We run into a lot of errors, but we finally finished. And thank you for accompanying me for the whole journey. Then see you all next Wednesday. Bye bye.